Here are two powerful computer hacks you definitely don't know exist. Number 1. Have you ever tried to launch an app but it asked you for administrator permission every time? If so, you need to try this. First, click the window button +S, then type in the name of the application or program. Right-click on it and click on Open File Location. Now right-click on its icon. Click on Properties, then go to Advance. Check the box of Run as Administrator, then click on OK. This will make the app or program run as administrator automatically when you launch it, without asking for administrator permission. This second hack lets you upgrade all of your outdated software from the command prompt. First, click the Windows button +S, then type in CMD. Run your command prompt as administrator. Type in Wing It Upgrade and click on Enter. This will make it scan your PC for software that are not up to date. And if you type in Wing It Update -- all, this will make it update them to their latest version.